Good afternoon, Kurt here with Airsoft Taiwan. Today I'm going to introduce some new guns from SRC. These are gas blowback pistols. They're called the SR92, very similar to the Beretta 92. One is available in a flat black. Everything basically identical on these guns, just one is a flat black and one is a shiny chrome or nickel finish. Very nice finish on this gun. And everything on these guns functions as a normal gun. You know, you've got your slide lock, safeties. To take down these pistols is very similar, just like a regular Model 92. Take your magazine out. On this side you have your pin release. Push your pin release, spin your pin, and your slide will come off. This one's a little different to take out. You can't take the spring out before you take the barrel out, so you have to bring the spring all the way to the front. And once the spring's in the front, your barrel should just twist out of here. And barrel's out, spring pin out, and then you see your piston in there. If you got any obstructions, you can clean it up. And then to put it back together, your spring has to go back in first. Again, locked on front. Slide your barrel in behind it. And spring back into place. Slide it back on. Once you're past here, lock it in place. It's back together. You put your magazine in, and it's ready to use. Okay, now we'll test the meters per second. First, using the green gas magazine. Okay, as you can see, there was plenty of gas to fire the magazine off, and it locked the slide open in the locking position. Okay, now we'll test the SRC SR92 with CO2 magazine. So if you like the SRC SR92, either in flat black or in shiny chrome, they come standard with a green gas magazine, which will shoot in the 90s meter per second or so. And you also have the option of buying the CO2 magazine to get your FPS around 115 or 120, your meters per second. So if you like any of these products, they're available now on our Airsoft Taiwan online shop.